Hey everyone, thank you all so much for stopping by or getting ready for spring clean. I'm sharing with you my front porch. It looks very sad, but I'm going to spruce it up a bit and make it look a lot happier than what it looks right now. Now, this getting ready for spring is part of a challenge that I am hosting along with my beautiful sister Maria Keys over at Maria Keys Happy Home Decor. And I will leave her information in my description box along with the playlist link of all of the other participants. And those of you that were not able to participate but you are watching, I thank you so very much for supporting. Now, you guys, as you see here, my little mat, Joy mat from Christmas. Yes, it's still Christmas. It's been really cold here. If it's not been cold, it's been wet and rainy. So I have to remove the mat, and I will be removing the lantern in the corner there that's on a planter stand upside down. And that was so that the wind would not blow it away. If hubby is available and can paint out those planters for me, I will get him to repaint those for me. Now those planters, you guys, have been a lot of different colors. They have been blue, they've been white, they've been black, now they are silver. So I'm not sure what I will make them look like this go round, but we will see. It will be a happy color because we have gone through so much and we are ready for a little bit of happiness. So I'm going to bring some happiness to my front door. So you guys continue to watch. And did I mention that I have a box, a package on my front steps? One of the things that make me so very happy. Well, now I'm going to take you on the inside and show you that my inside entranceway is looking a little sad too. Just haven't done a whole lot with it after Christmas. And I do keep my alcohol. If you notice that spray bottle alcohol, I keep it there so when I get packages, I spray all of my packages down before I bring them on the inside. But I usually try to hide it out just a little bit so it's not so obvious. But because we are getting ready to do this clean and refresh, then we just kind of left everything there. So you guys continue to watch, continue to enjoy, and I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Okay, you guys, I have finished with my cleaning, and now I will share with you the reveal as we will start from the entrance on the outside. This beautiful wreath here is a DIY made of a grapevine wreath with these tulips using the pink, the light pink, and the blue. And I've created a bow using the mesh that you see there. So I wanted to use vibrant colors, you guys. So you guys, as we are getting ready for the spring and Easter season, I wanted to go ahead and take the opportunity of this weather and get everything laid out. Just taking advantage of the weather that I have available to me now to go ahead and decorate my front porch and my entrance into my home. I hope this will give you all some ideas as to how you too can spruce up your front porch area. I know a lot of us have gone through some rough weather, tough weather, cold weather. So I'm just so excited to just have a little bit of warm weather. So you guys, my hubby did get the chance to spray those planters out for me. I wasn't sure what color this blue was. View from the outside, but it's okay for now. We may end up changing it out, but we're going to leave it for the sake of this video. And if you notice my little white bunny that I have sitting there, so cute. That was a consignment shop find. I paid $7 for that, and it is a wicker bunny. Now let's look at this here. It says love grows here. Nothing but love here, you guys. As I welcome you into my home, I welcome you with love. So continue to enjoy this video as I continue to share with you my spring decor as I am super ready for spring. You guys, I chose this cherry blossom canvas. I was at the local gas station the other day, and there was this beautiful cherry blossom tree just standing so beautiful in full bloom. And I thought, wow, that would be a great way to add some beauty to the entranceway. If I had time to have that picture blown up, I would have, but I am using this canvas instead. It was just so pretty and just so vibrant, and I just feel like now we all need some happiness, some joy, some peace brought to us. So continue to enjoy, you guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Hey guys, again, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you here. I thank you so much for stopping by. Now, if you're not a part of my family, now's a perfect time for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. And don't forget to go and visit my sister here, Marie Keys of Happy Home Decor. Her information is in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. Hey you guys, I hope you have enjoyed my getting ready for spring video here. Please don't forget to go over and visit my co-host Marie Keys of Happy Home Decor, along with that playlist link that's listed in my description box of all of the other creators. We all appreciate you so much for stopping by. Be blessed and take care. Stay safe until I see you again. Thank you.